Greetings, Ben Murray here with another edition of SaaS Metrics School. Almost forgot my last name with that one. But so today, talking consultants and contractors, it's so important to get these expenses coded correctly to your SaaS P&L. And I've seen all shapes and sizes of this when reviewing SaaS P&Ls for founders. Sometimes I see contractors coded in to the wage category on our SaaS P&L, which for me is a no-no. So now with this episode, I'm not getting into the labor and legal classifications of our staff, of our employees versus contractors. You should always consult your HR professional there when dealing with labor classifications. But for coding these expenses to your SaaS P&L, we need to separate consultants and contractors. So I view consultants as those one-time projects where we bring a consultant in, say to review our pricing or to review our SaaS architecture, for example. A one-time project, maybe it lasts for a couple weeks, maybe it lasts for a couple months, one and done. They move on. They're not considered part of your staff. They're providing a service in that consulting project. Now, contractors we see often in early stage SaaS where they supplement our existing employees. Often we're outsourcing R&D and development. So we have those full or part-time contractors that are working for us dedicated each month. And usually it's a longer term engagement for those. So in that case, they're supplementing our staff, and I want to see those contractors coded separately to a different general ledger account so we can keep wages separate from consulting expenses, separate from contractors. So that's really important because when we look at our organizational efficiency, of course, everybody knows the revenue per FTE metric, but I have my own metric called the ROSE metric where we look at we put FTE counts aside because we know FTEs can mean a lot of different things. But I look at the dollars that we're investing in wages, taxes, benefits, bonus, and commission, and contractor expenses when looking at org efficiency. And that's what I pull into my ROSE metric so I can determine how much recurring revenue we're generating per employee and contractor investment. And that's very important as you're scaling to profitability or you're trying to go from negative EBITDA to positive EBITDA to see where that's trending. Because if it's not trending up and to the right, it's going to be very difficult to get to cash flow positive if that's an issue for you right now. So when we're looking at our SaaS P&L, looking at the general ledger accounts that underlie or underneath our SaaS P&L, I want to see wages, I want to see taxes, I want to see bonuses, commissions, benefit accounts, all separate. I want to see contractors and contractors coded separately. And if we have contractors for different departments, I want to make sure that's clear in my general ledger coding. And same thing for consultants. I don't want a big bucket of consulting dollars. If those consultants are helping maybe finance, or maybe they're helping sales, or maybe they're helping different departments. So again, department coding of consultants and contractors, very important, just like our own staff. So again, this comes up really often when we review chart of accounts, P&Ls for our coaching and fractional CFO clients. So just make sure you get this right. It's really important as we assess and analyze the efficiency of our SaaS business. So I hope you enjoyed the episode today, a little bit about expense coding.